What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil in a 2012 CRF250r. Let's get to it. Okay, so here is the transmission drain bolt. It's the bolt directly up under your shifter. It's a 12mm. I'm on my phone so it's hard, but here's all the oil that I'll be using. It's there's all the numbers if you need those. And now for the actual oil, right here. Now I'm going to start reassembling the oil cap. You do this to put oil on the O-ring, put your spring back in, boom, it's ready to go back in. Okay, all the drain plugs are in, now it's time to start filling it up. Okay, now guys, I'm writing down all when the transmission oil, the engine oil, and the air filter has been changed. I've got all the fluids put back together. I'm gonna put the seat back on real quick, and then I'm gonna fire it up.